with bonds, it's important to remember that market cap means you borrowed a lot of money. Market cap means you're levered. So being passive and simply investing, the more levered something is ultimately a very dangerous act. So that's number one. I say this mainly because in bonds, the move to indices is not the same as the move to indices in stocks. In stocks, you have to earn your way there to get that market cap, right? You have to prove yourself in other ways. Whereas bonds, you just borrow more money. And so that's number one. Number two, there are a lot of one-off binary risks that you can eliminate and should eliminate from your portfolio, because the risks sometimes are extreme. They can involve something like capital controls. Right? We owned no Turkey going into their quasi-capital control regime. We didn't own Russia going into sanctions. Those are good things because sometimes they can be big parts of the index. The last point is the importance of being index agnostic in order to find the best opportunities. Just as Australian small caps might have great opportunities simply because they're a less efficient market and less analyzed, inside emerging markets, avoiding or looking at things that are small parts of the index can be very, very remunerative to a portfolio. So we're very comfortable. We've had a lot of Uruguay, a lot of Ukraine, Belarus. They're in the index, but they're not significant parts of the index. But actually, in the examples I'm giving you, Ukraine and Belarus, we didn't own Russia in local currency. We owned Belarus, we owned Ukraine. They did much, much better than Russia did. And so we were able to avoid those Russian risks, but still get quasi-Russia-like, Russia region, right, in former Soviet Union for sure, type exposure. But I'd say those are the main reasons to avoid, or to be active as opposed to passive. First, bond indices reward leverage, which is problematic. Second, you can get these one-off risks that you should purge from your portfolio. And third, there are a lot of opportunities in these less efficient, less explored parts of the emerging market universe.